Look at RMRK, okay? This thing looks like it's about ready to bounce again, okay? Looks like a fourth wave pullback to me, okay? If you go up here, one, two, three, four, as long as it doesn't violate this here, okay? If it goes lower than $1.80, call it $1.83, then this is out, okay? Period. Four and a fifth wave up, okay? That's exactly what this looks like. This fourth wave could pull back right down to that $1.84. All right back to this previous high right here, okay? Right there. As long as it does not pull below that, then this fifth wave should be coming in, okay? Very, very important to keep an eye on that. That is right at, yeah, call it $1.44, $1.84. All right close to that, okay, without zooming in perfectly. $1.83.76, $1.84, right around there. As long as it doesn't violate this area, coming down past it, then this is just a wave four coming down and a fifth wave coming up, okay? That's exactly what this is. Big shout out to the members real quick. These guys, right over here is your total time as a member. Right here is the levels that they signed up for, trading classes. Level 4s are trading lessons. Level 3s are trading lessons. A lot of them out there. Thank you so very, very much to every single member. You guys make this channel go, and I can't thank you enough. I've gotten fantastic feedback from these trading videos, and over close to 7 hours of videos, 17 videos to teach you how to trade for $14.99. Okay, that's a steal. It really is. It took me years and years and years to learn this stuff. So if you're interested in learning how to trade, learning how to read charts, sign up for them, man. $14.99. You'll spend that on a lottery ticket. Okay, it's well worth it for sure. No question about it. Just one video could change your life. Trading has changed my life, and it can absolutely change yours. Especially if you learn. I'm not saying I'm the best at all, but I'm not too bad. Okay, that's for sure. All right, the crypto bubbles out there. If we take a look here, this is for the month. All right, nice gains out there. And one of the biggest reasons for that, besides Bitcoin running up, we're going to get right back to this chart, all right, is the total too. This is the market cap without Bitcoin. If we go out here on the weekly, even on the monthly here, you can see this breakout from the resistance here. All right, see that blue line right here? This was a resistance level. Let's make this a little more noticeable. All right, this was a resistance level that it broke out of, okay? It was resistance here, and resistance down here, and it's broken up out of it, okay? This thing should really start ripping pretty soon, and the biggest reason for that, look at this monthly RSI, still heading up, 83 and a 69. Could have a short-term pullback here. We got the weekly right at the top, and the daily is correcting a little bit, so could have a little bit of a pullback in this thing, but if we use a trend-based fib on this and look for a possible target for this thing, go from the low wave 1 to the high wave 1 to the retrace wave 2. All right about there. This thing could be heading up towards the 900 billion. Any of these levels, the 3.618's at 850, but usually it hits these targets, believe it or not. Very, very, very common for this trend-based fib to work out perfectly, so we're going to leave it on there. But that's one of the biggest reasons I believe we're going to have a serious breakout here. Now with RMRK, okay, I want to show you something here. 618 fib and the 702 are normal pullback areas. Your 786 is your last one where you usually get your bounces from. All right, if we go right from here to the top, All right, you can see we're approaching at 786. We just peaked down through the 702. That 786 is at a $1.81, but it should not take that out. Okay, your fourth wave, like I said, should not violate that $1.83.96, somewhere right around there, $1.84. It should stay above that. Like I said, if it doesn't, it violates that. So I believe this pullback is about done. The daily RSI is still coming down, okay, which that thing can turn up at any time. Our weekly is at 81 and 83, has flipped bearish, and the monthly has just turned up. The monthly's just turned up on this thing, so definitely looking at higher prices for this thing. Absolutely. Now, the 12-hour, getting there, just about reset, okay? You got your 8-hour on the bottom, oversold, reset, ready to head up, okay? When this is at the bottom, your prices should push up. When it's at the top, your prices should pull down if you're not familiar with an RSI. All right, down at the bottom down here, we're down at a 41, getting down there pretty low. At a 34 down here, look at a 4-hour, flat on the bottom, all zeros, okay? The 12 is at a 45 down here, okay? So I'm looking for a bounce out of this area. Worst case scenario, like I said, it pulls down to the right to the top of this here, right about $1, right above $1.84. If it breaks $1.84, this is out, completely out. Then it's not doing a 5-wave up, but I believe it is, and I believe we're going to get this bounce very, very soon out of RMRK. So like I said, you got let's take a look at volume coming in. There should be a ton of volume coming in, I would imagine. Any kind of trader out there that is looking at this thing would know bottoms coming in. Let's see where the volume's at. The volume is actually down 16%. Only has a $19 million market cap. Wow. 19,501,000. Whoa. That's the ones you want to be in. All right, this thing has an all-time high. Holy cow. $62, 63 bucks. And it's at $2. That's a 30x just to get back to the all-time high. And if you've taken my trading classes, you know how to project the next bull run, possible targets for the next bull run. Let's see what this thing, not financial advice at all, but this is a very good way to get targets for all of your tokens by using this thing, okay? Let's take a look here. First off, let me put this on log. Makes it a little bit easier here. Let's take a look and see what kind of price targets RMRK could be heading for. All right, high to the low. 280 bucks. Believe it or not, how many coins does this thing have? 10 million. That's unbelievable. 10 million. That's half of what Bitcoin has. Less than half of what Bitcoin has. 10 million tokens. That's incredible. A $19 million market cap. So just to get to 100 million is a 5x. All right. To get to that $1 billion is a 50x. Okay. And if this thing gets to, if it does, $280. All right. What are you looking at from here? At $2. 100x would put you at $200. 140x would put you at $280. 140x. So for every 1,000 you put in it, if it gets up to $280, you're looking at every $1,000 you're looking at what, 280,000. So not too shabby. And just to give you an idea, because a lot of you out there are probably calling BS on this. All right, RMRK, we're going to come back here in a second. Let me show you how well this thing works. All right, Bitcoin on the monthly. Last bull run in 2017. We're going to go back here to 2017. All right, no idea where Bitcoin's going. Let's use this to give us an idea. Okay, pull it right up to the end. There we go. This gave a target of 74,000. It hit 69,000 bucks. All right, so it fell short $5,000. All right, just super close to getting there. Ethereum. All right, 2017 bull run. Where could the next bull run take this thing? I had a target of 56. It hit 48. It hit the 3618. Okay, so if RMRK, if it hits the 3618, where would that put it at? $238 from $1.86. Okay, so that's more than 140x. It's $1.86. I was thinking $2. So yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, this thing, the potential is there. 10 million tokens or coins. 10 million. That's it. Circulating supply. And look, 95% of them are out there. 9.5 million. So inflation is not going to kill you down the road. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. All-time high is $67. Yeah, looks great. Yeah, it's at $2.05. Why does the chart say $1.86? No idea. Kind of odd. But there you go. Now let's take a look at these RSIs and see if this thing, like I said, is getting ready to go here. All right, let's go in on the daily. Zoom back in on this thing. All right, that daily coming down. Like I said, the 12 is just about there. The 8-hour is at the bottom. The 4-hour is at the bottom. I do not expect it to take out $1.84. Okay, I think the bounce is coming extremely soon, and keep your eye on this thing for sure. Okay, that fifth wave, let's put the trend-based fib on it, get a target for a price target. Low wave 1 to the high wave 1, roughly to the retrace. All right, this would be given a target of up at just over $3. Okay, so we'll see what happens here, guys. I'm gonna leave this on here. I'm gonna mark the price where we're at right now, right there, and we'll see what happens next video. But I'm looking for a bounce real soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great night, everybody.